Hey everyone, Shraddha here. I'm going to cover this comment by Raj. Hi Raj. You're saying that my ID name and LinkedIn name are different. My account is restricted. Persona verification is not working. What should I do? I can't create new one and I can't verify my identity. Please help me. Okay. So see, firstly, I would like to know in which country you are. Then secondly, if you are saying that your account is restricted, say there are two ways. First, if your account is not restricted and your ID name and LinkedIn name are different, then you can fix your LinkedIn name similar to what is written in your ID. Okay, this is the solution when your account is not restricted, because you will be able to edit your profile. Right now, as you are saying that your account is restricted, what you need to do, I'll share this link. You can see this right here. I'll share this link with you. Here you can read this help with the restriction. You need to get into this link, write your name, write your last name, write your email ID. Here you can see this right here. Keep on reading everything, whatever things are written, just keep on reading. Do you use any third party program service, or like Publer is there? So there are people who used to use various tools to automate their LinkedIn profile. So, and many times this also create issue. This also say makes your LinkedIn account restricted. So that's why they are saying if you use any third party program, you need to mention it right here. Okay, put your mail ID here. Tell if there is any. If nothing, then nothing. No, none. ऐसे लिख दो none. Okay, you can just write none. Now you need to read. Do you share a computer? Allow someone else? Okay, you do. If you don't share your personal credentials of LinkedIn with somebody else, just say no, because I don't share it, and it's not good to share with anyone, because they can misuse it, especially any outsider. You can share it in your home if required, or else just don't share your credentials with anyone else. It's not just for LinkedIn, it's for all social media platforms. Okay, now examples could include viewing profile. Now you need to tell them that what are the issue, that like what level of restriction is there. Is it like you are able to open your profile but you are not able to like, comment on others post, you are not able to post anything from your profile. Next would be you are not able to edit your profile. Let me tell you what is editing your profile. Here you can see this. So if your account was not restricted, what you could have done is just go to your profile. Now right hand side, just below my banner, this red color banner, you can see this pen button here. Just tap there, and here you can see in edit intro. Now you can just change your name, first name, last name, based on your ID card. Just keep it like the same that is there in your ID card. Okay, so this is something that you can do when it comes to editing, if you are able to edit your profile. Okay, here they are asking you that what kind of issues are you facing. Here you need to mention I am not able to comment, like or share on others posts. I'm not able to post anything. I'm not able to say edit my profile. Just now I showed you, right? You need to make things very clear here. Then you need to click on submit. If you will type something here, let me just fill it for you. Shraddha Pandey. Okay, here let's just put an email ID. You can also put your Gmail address, that's not an issue. Okay, let me just put my Gmail address also. Okay, now tap here. You need to bus. Where is bus? Is this bus or vehicle? Okay, verify. Is this bus? Okay, verify. Okay, now you can see this submit button is active now. So you need to fill all these forms, and then you need to go for captcha, saying that I am not a robot. Then you need to click there. It will get submit to LinkedIn team, and within a few days you will get a reply on your mail. Keep an eye on your mail, and they will check what kind of issue is there when it comes to your LinkedIn profile restriction. And if there would be if you have not violated any of their policies, then you will be able to regain your LinkedIn profile. They'll help you to do so. Okay, and if they are not able to do so, maybe they'll ask you something. Maybe they can also tell you some steps that you need to do from your end, and then it will get fixed. Sometimes what happens is LinkedIn restriction is for some time, maybe for 15 days, for 1 month, 28 days, or 7 days. Okay, so you need to make it very ask to the team that whether what kind of restriction is it a permanent restriction or it's just a temporarily, like for a few days itself. You need to ask it. Okay, so yeah, you need to submit it here. This is the case when your account is not restricted. Okay, and if it is restricted, sorry, this is the case when your account is restricted. If it is restricted, then you need to fill this form, help with the restriction, submit it. And if your account is not restricted and you are able to like, comment, share, repost others posts, you are able to post something from your account, you are able to edit your profile, just get into your edit intro. You can see this right here, just below cover photo, you can see this pen button tab there. Just keep your name name exactly the same as it is in your ID, and it will help you fixing your issue. I hope, Raj, I am very much clear about the issue that you are facing. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share, and if you want me to cover any topic, just let me know. I will be covering that topic too. Stay tuned. Bye bye, take care.